Okay, so first problem on your own. Let's see if you were able to figure it out. We first need to rotate 180 degrees about the origin. Rotations means I need ordered pairs, but they did not label this. So the first thing you want to do is label your points just to make it easier to do. I didn't provide you with the points because I wanted to see if you would be able to do this on your own, because sometimes when we take assessments, it's not provided, so I don't want that to freak you out. So you can pick whatever letters you want. I'm just going to call this A, B, C, and D. And then I'm going to record my ordered pairs. So A is at 0, 5. Make sure you put that in the right order. B is at 5, 3. C is at 2, 1. And D is at negative 2, 2. So when I rotate 180 degrees, again, opposites. Nothing is switching places. So this is now negative. These are now negative. Negative. And this one is positive, and this one is negative. So the shape should be upside down now. So 0, negative 5, A prime, negative 5, negative 3, B prime, negative 2, negative 1, C prime, and 2, negative 2, D prime. Do my best here. Okay. And then I need to reflect over x equals 2. Not the x-axis, x equals 2. So I need to draw that line in. So I will pick red for that line. X equals 2 is vertical, and it's here. This is my line of reflection, so I need to flip this second shape with the primes. This one needs to now come flip over here. So D is on the line, so it stays there. A is 1, 2 spaces from that red line, so I'm going to count 1, 2 to get a double prime. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I go 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B double prime. C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. C double prime. So now the shape has been flipped over or reflected and ends up here. That's the final image. Let's see what the second slide is asking us. When rotating 180 degrees, what happens to the x and y coordinates? The x and y coordinates become their opposite after a 180 degree rotation. Complete sentence whenever we're answering a word problem.